All right, guys, we are standing here in front of our latest flip, but this video is gonna go a little bit differently. Typically, I'm like, okay, yeah, this is a 4-bedroom, whatever, bath house. It looks amazing, come and look at it. No, I showed up today after doing a final walkthrough, finding some stuff, told them to get the house repaired, and they told me it was all done, so I am here to shoot the video. And I am here to show you what I found. So I walk up, house looks pretty good. The first thing I noticed, not their fault, but look how dirty the garage is, right? This is just because it rained, right? Not their fault, but still something that I'm looking at. So gonna have the guys give it a quick wipe down because little things like that suck, but can make a difference. So follow me inside and I'm actually just gonna show you what I see. Obviously, you can tell the house looks amazing. Huge open concept, style, almost exactly like every other house that we do. We follow a plan. However, when I walk in, the first thing I see is right here by this first light switch, you can see, you might not be able to see in the camera, but there's like a little texture difference right above here that you can only see from that side. I can't see it over here or anywhere else. That would bother me, and guess what? Every other person that wants to come into your house, both when they're trying to buy it and any friend in the future is gonna see that. I want that to be taken care of, and that was on the list before, right? Here, you had your big open dining room, looks fantastic, and then you got your kitchen over here, which, like I've shared before, I love doing the extra cabinets on this side of the island, and it looks great. But I come in, and the first thing I see, bam, look at this mess. There's still even a blue piece of tape on it, right? They needed to either repair that or put a baseboard. Not done. Not a huge issue, but not done. The other thing here in the kitchen, sure, the top of this is wiped down, but there's smudges all over the side of the appliances. Slow down, do a good job. Of course, I'm walking by, still dust. So we're having the cleaners come back to take care of that. None of these things are huge things, but they're things you have to pay attention to that people will want repaired, fixed, and should be done anyways, okay? Let's keep going, there's a few more. As I came around this corner, look down here. You can see there's a little bit of a gap here. That's just the flooring was done improperly. On the back side of the door, you can see it as well. They're supposed to get that fixed, and I know that there was a second piece that you can zoom in on that should have been taken care of as well, right on the right side next to the baseboard. That needs to be done as well. As we come down here, thank heavens, both our 2 bedrooms on this side done properly. You come into the giant master, which last minute, they had not done the can lights. Today they're done, but that was something on my inspection that they had missed. But really, the only other issue they had in the house was coming into the bathroom, okay? There was a slight flooring issue. They fixed that, but we had a light fixture here in the bathroom. See how this one's on? The other one's not. This is a dual vanity, right? That was on the list as well. So, yes, they're not giant things, but they need fixed. Let me show you a few of the ones on the outside. All right, we came out to the back patio and, well, down here in this stem wall, that's supposed to be patched. This patio is supposed to be cleaned off. I understand not cleaning off the patio before you patch, but you gotta do both of them. Keep coming with me. Right here, we got this brand new electrical panel. Well, there was an old one. You can't just leave this sticking out of the ground, right? This is a dead line, but it needs to be cleaned up, right? Well, look at this. Right after my landscapers came through and cleaned up the whole backyard, The neighbor decided to do their landscaping, which is fine. I love it. But a whole lot of landscaping trimmings had fallen down. You can't just leave them here on the ground. Clean them up. It's easy. Okay? And then make your way down to this gate. Look how bad this looks. There's a piece missing. There's a metal stripping here that used to be connected. Giant piece of blue tape. I don't know how you miss it. Needs to be repaired, right? We got a few more. Follow me. What a giant backyard though, right? I can't wait to see what someone's gonna do with this space. This is great, neighborhood's fantastic. This is a great home for some family. I'm excited. And we'll get all these little things done. It's just obviously annoying that they're not done already. So, all right, come through the gate real quick. One of our last ones here, right, is this is your overflow to the hot water heater in the inside. It's just cut off. Does that look finished? Does that look done? No, we should have an elbow at minimum all the way to the ground, and this is supposed to be tied in to the house itself, right? Everything else actually looks pretty good. So there's a quick walk around the house to let you know, hey, this house is beautiful. It's amazing. Would it sell like it is right now? Yes, it would. Is it gonna sell for more, and is someone gonna be happier if you take care of the things that are supposed to be done? Absolutely, because if you can find it on a quick walkthrough before you put it on the market, your buyers will definitely find it after they close. And our whole goal is to keep them happy as possible and give them a product that they're going to appreciate for years to come. So thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for coming to our newest listing, which will be coming on the market this next week. See you guys then.